Alright guys, so in this video I'll show you how to get a payment extension with Telstra because, your service can actually be suspended if a successful payment is not received after 10 business days. So go ahead and request this extension, really easy and simple. Come to their website and right here you see under personal, right, the URL is actually myservices.tesla.com and click on personal and then click on coverage and services, click on request an extension. Right? And they'll ask you to basically sign in and fill in your details like phone number, name, so they can actually find your account. They'll basically send you a one-time code to verify your identity, confirm your identity to see who's actually requesting an extension. And then you can basically, extend your payment date by up to 14 days if you're actually eligible. So don't be too late. If you are within about 5 business days, right, they could give you an extension. So, I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.